Hey everyone, welcome again, and in this video you will learn to set up an automation to send emails to your Facebook leads automatically. So guys, many businesses use Facebook to capture leads, and if you're also running a Facebook lead ad campaign to capture the leads, this automation is going to be really helpful for you because here, as and when you are going to capture any lead, a email will be delivered to that lead about your business automatically from your Microsoft Outlook mailbox. Okay, so here you don't have to keep checking for the leads manually on Facebook, and you can focus on your business, and this automation will run automatically and keep sending the mails to your leads. Okay, let me show you how this is going to work. So this will be the flow of this automation, guys. Here, as and when you are going to capture a lead from a Facebook lead ad campaign, a mail will be delivered from your Office 365 or Outlook mailbox automatically. And here we are using Pabbly Connect to make this connection between Facebook and Office 365. And the beauty of this automation is you don't have to require any coding skills or programming knowledge to set up this process. So guys, let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted it in the description as well. From here, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So it will just take 2 minutes, guys. Sign up right now and then log in to reach here. And here on the dashboard, you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a relevant name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Facebook to Office 365. So you can give any relevant name according to you. Automation. Okay, so after filling the name like this, just click on create, and you can see your workflow pages loading up here. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be capturing of a lead from Facebook lead ad campaign, and the action towards that trigger would be to send an email via 365 Office or Outlook. Okay, so here first of all you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose the trigger application as Facebook lead ads. Here you will find it, select it. Okay, and in the trigger event, you have to select this new lead instant option, so it will trigger when a new lead is submitted in a specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. Okay, so on a Facebook page, you can run a Facebook ad, and in that ad you can attach a lead generation form. Okay, so here I am using this Facebook lead ad testing tool, guys, and here you can see I have a page on Facebook named as Pabbly Connect, and here I have attached a form named as Pabbly Connect, which is a lead generation form. So I can show you the preview of the form as well. This is a kind of lead generation form we are using. Okay, so you can customize it according to you. And here let me click on connect first, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. All right, as I have already logged in Facebook, it got connected. Otherwise it will bring you to the login window, then you can connect it. Okay, and now it is asking for the page. So page's name is Pabbly Connect, guys. This is it. And the lead generation form is also Pabbly Connect. So it got selected automatically here. We have 3 forms actually attached to this page, but I am using Pabbly Connect form. Okay. Now guys, click on save and send test request. And you can see it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So this means we have made the connection with the lead ad form. Now we are going to do a test submission. So the test submission would be equals to this trigger event. That means we need to fill this form via this lead ad testing tool. We are going to fill this form, and we are going to generate a test lead. Okay, and the test lead will be captured here in the response, and with the help of that test data, we are going to set up this automation further. So I'm going to this form preview, and here I'm going to fill in the name of the person who is filling this form. So let the name be Akash Jain, let's say, right? And this is the email address of this person, this is the gender, okay, and here you can enter the phone number, and here I'm clicking on next and clicking on submit, and we are done. You can see, thanks, you are all set, and here you can see it is showing your test lead has been sent. Okay, so we have generated a test lead. Let's see in our workflow if we got the data, and here you can see we captured the data like this. All right, so that's how you can capture the test lead. Now I want to send a mail to this lead, and to send the mail we are using Microsoft Office 365. Okay, this one, and this is the application, and here under Microsoft Office 365 you can see you can select Outlook Express application by which we can send emails. Okay, so I have opened my Outlook inbox here, right? So select this Microsoft Office 365 application, and in the action event you will find this send mail option. Click on send mail, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft Office 365, and you can see as I have already logged in there, it is asking for the access. Okay, so here you have to provide some access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on yes, and you will be connected with 365 account. Okay, so we are connected now, you can see, and here you can enter the subject of the mail, the content type, and the body content. Here you have to type the mail, a standard mail for every lead, you have to type it here, and here you have to map the recipient's email address. Okay, so to map the recipient email address we are going to use this test data, and here you can see we have received this email label in which we have received this email address, and I'm going to map it here to send a mail. All right, so from this to map the mail, you just have to click here on this to recipient field, and it will show you this Facebook lead ad step in the drop down, and from here only map this label. Okay, like this. So here guys, you have to enter the main body of the email that you want to send to your lead, and here let me type the subject as, let's say, thank you. Okay, now you can change these things according to your strategy. I am just showing you the demo, so I have written here thank you. Okay, and here let me type the mail. So guys, in this body content field I have typed an email. You can see after I have written thank you, hi, thank you for showing interest in us. We have just received your contact details from Facebook ad form. These are the things that we have received. We are excited to help you. What's the best time for me to give you a call? Okay, so this is a kind of mail I want to send to my leads, and here I am going to map the data from the first step. Okay, so let's say this is a standard mail that we are going to send to every lead that I'm getting. So here I'm going to map some labels here from the first step so that we can change some data in every new mail. Okay, so here you can see we have received this first name and the last name, so I'm going to map it here. After hi, I'm going to map the first name label, okay, which is this, and thank you for showing your interest, and here I'm going to map the data that we have received. Here I'm going to map the full name, okay, the email address. So you can customize mails according to you. I'm showing you the demo. All right, so when you map such things here guys in a mail, what will happen, these labels are going to change every time this workflow will run. Okay, every time you capture a lead from your Facebook lead ad form, these labels are going to change here, and every time a new mail will be delivered according to the new data. Okay, right, so I can let's check how the mail will look like by clicking on save and send test request. You can send a test mail to this email address. So guys, but actually I don't have the access of this email address. So I can show you how the message will look like by manually entering my email address here. Okay, so let me just but you have to map this email label from the first step. I'm just showing you the demo how the mail will look like. So I'm removing this, I'm entering my email address here. So guys, this is my email inbox and I have typed this email here. You can see email address here. This is the same email address. Okay, now let's check how the mail will look like. I am clicking on save and send test request. Okay, and this is the response we have received, and let's check if we got a new email here in my inbox. You can see a new email arrives here, and the email is this: hi Akash, thank you for showing interest in us. And this is the same email that I have typed here, and this is the same data that I have mapped, guys. Okay, right, so this is how the email will appear. Now let me map the label again. So when you map the label of email, what will happen whenever you receive the lead from the form, from your Facebook form, these labels are going to change and a new email will be delivered to the email that you captures. Okay, and sometimes what happens, guys, when you are setting up this automation for the first time, sometimes here it will show you that you need to verify that email address that you are sending from where you are sending the mails. That means sometimes uh, it will show you an error here, not an error, it will show you something, and you have to get your Outlook account verified. It will give you this kind of mail here. Okay, you will receive this kind of mail here in your Outlook. From here, guys, you can verify your email by clicking on this verify your account, and after that you can run this automation easily. So we are done setting up this automation, guys. And here you can see I have connected Facebook lead add forms in the trigger step and capture the test lead like this. After that, I used 365 Office 365 account to send an email via Outlook mailbox, and I have typed the mail here and I have shown you how the mail will appear. So guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you are going to capture the lead from Facebook, the mails will be delivered automatically and you can focus on your work. So guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.